In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user from your Twilio account, whether you're tidying up your user list or removing a colleague who no longer needs access. This process is straightforward and quick. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to access your Twilio console. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your Twilio account, providing you with easy access to your configurations, user settings, and more. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head to the Twilio console by visiting the following URL: https://console.twilio.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Simply provide your username and password to gain access. Once you're in, you'll be presented with the Twilio dashboard, a bird's-eye view of your account activities. Now, your next step is all about navigation. From the main dashboard, you'll want to locate the Admin section of the menu. Hover over or click on the Admin option, and then proceed to select Twilio Admin. Inside this section, you'll find a subsection labeled Users. This is where you can manage user accounts associated with your Twilio project. If you prefer direct access, simply enter the direct URL https://twilio.com/console/account/users into your browser. Both routes will lead you to the same destination, a comprehensive list of all users linked to your Twilio project. Once you're in the Users section, you'll see the list of everyone who has access to your project. Scan through the list to locate the specific user you need to remove. Here, you'll find key information such as usernames to help you easily identify the correct individual. Click on the name of the user you wish to delete. Upon clicking, you'll find options to manage that individual's access. Look for the option called Delete Assignments. This action will tell Twilio that you wish to remove the selected user's access to your project. When you initiate this action, Twilio cares about confirmation just to make sure no accidental deletions occur. A prompt will appear on your screen asking you to confirm the removal of this user. Take a moment here to double-check that you've selected the correct individual and that you indeed want to go through with this action. Once you're certain, confirm the removal by clicking the corresponding button. And with that, you've successfully removed a user from your Twilio account. Remember, this process ensures that only the right people have access to your project, maintaining its security and relevance. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep this guide in mind for any future user management needs within Twilio. Thanks for watching and happy managing.